Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Shakira binti Zulkarnain. My matric number is TE22052. I will start the presentation with the information about the project. Firstly, the Petronas Twin Tower have long been the tallest building in Malaysia and Southeast Asia, dominating the Kuala Lumpur skyline. However, once completed, a new and forthcoming skyscraper will dethrone the Twin Tower. We are referring to the well-known Exchange 106, which has now been finished in Tun Razak Exchange area. We are gathered a list of intriguing facts, including the fact that it is Malaysia and Southeast Asia's second highest new skyscraper. The Exchange 106, as the name suggests, has 106 floors, compared to the Twin Tower only have 88 floors. Here's the height difference between two prominent landmarks. The Petronas Twin Tower 451.9 meter tall, while Exchange 106 is 492.3 meter tall. This structure is presently one of the world's top 15 tallest skyscrapers. Furthermore, the building parking space can accommodate more than 2,000 vehicles. The project requires one of the world's largest concrete pour. 20,200 cubic meters of concrete were poured into a space equivalent to 8 Olympic swimming pools. The procedure took 48 hours and resulted in second largest concrete pour ever recorded. There were 120 cement mixers, 8.5 million kilos of cement, 16 million kilos of sand, 19 million kilos of construction aggregates, and 2 million kilos of ice to cool down the construction site. Every 2 or 3 days, one whole floor are constructed. This structure is being built with the cutting-edge green technologies, such as the installation of high-performance insulated glass. The following energy-efficient mechanical, electrical, and plumbing MEP system have a star rating. Aside from that, there's 100% LED lighting and cutting-edge lift technologies. I will pass the presentation to the next presenter.
My name is Nofardato Aisha, my ID number TE22046. So next I will explain about work background structure. For work background structure, in GROUP2 Exchange, there are several main list of activity include in our project, which is concept and planning, design and pre-construction, construction, detailing work and fitting installation, finishing, post-construction, and site inspection. Next, we can see on the slide about of the details of work in Microsoft project. So we can conclude that the total days of project is 1,344 days. The next slide is about resources. For the resources, we see the relationships among activities as the resources in the Microsoft project as shown in the figure. We made several resource named for our Tun Razak Exchange project and two types of resource.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nohana Syamil binti Parmaswira, number matric TE22099. We present about precedent diagram or Gantt chart. After defining the activities for this project, we start by establishing the activity relationships and drawing the network diagram. Then determine the quantity and set the direction for the activity. Not only that, we also allocate resources and costs, provide a timetable for the start and end of activities. According to the priority diagram, above concept and planning must be complete before any other activity can begin. Design and pre-construction depends on planning. In this case, the foundation of the tower depends on the complete infrastructure construction. Similarly, the tower structure can only be started after the foundation of the tower is prepared. Then, the interior finishing work, such as electrical, plumbing, interior work, begins. Exterior finishing, that cladding, landscaping can be continued along with interior finishing. Project completion marks the successful completion of all activities. Our main benefit of using priority diagram is being able to visualize project workflows and dependencies, as well as being able to identify critical paths, that sequences of activities that directly impact project duration. Estimate project timelines and track progress. This allows us to manage resource allocation and potential congestion. Therefore, this priority diagram facilitates communication and collaboration among stakeholders. There are also relationships in network diagram that we apply start to start that activities technically begin at same time for 4 tasks. The architecture and structural drawings start with site investigation, site preparation and site survey start with monitoring area, and plumbing start with wiring. Next, finish for activities ultra pass velocity tests, rebound hammer test, concrete coring and compressive test with checking structure testing will be complete at the same time. Besides that, finish to start in activities inspection from public authority after compressive test settle. The other activities basically start to finish as shown in Gantt chart.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Fatir Anazrah binti Seman. Nama matric is TE22045. Next, I will present about the list of assumptions made to develop a schedule. First, project scope and definition. The team anticipates a stable and well-defined project scope to ensuring that specifications and deliverables remain consistent throughout the project and preventing potential delays. Next is precise plans and blueprints are considered accurate and comprehensive to ensure all necessary information is provided to prevent any revisions or mistakes during the construction. And the teams assumes that the design is easily accessible and compliant with current laws and infrastructure. Next is resource availability and performance. First, the team anticipates a steady supply of professionals, subcontractors and skilled laborers for the project, ensuring the minimal absenteeism of turnover. Next, team members are believed to possess the necessary knowledge and expertise to effectively complete their assigned duties. And the team anticipates to no significant delays or failures in the project's duration regarding machinery and equipment performance. Lastly, the supplier is expected to provide the agreed upon supplies and equipment on schedule. Okay, next is timeline and sequencing. The task dependencies and durations are accurately estimated to ensure a realistic overall timetable, ensuring accurate estimation of each task time requirements and dependencies. Next, the team is aiming to acquire all necessary permits and licenses promptly to avoid any potential delays due to unforeseen bureaucratic obstacles. And the timetable assumes no significant weather-related delays such as storms, heavy rain or high temperature that could hinder the work. And lastly, the team typically accounts for common risks but may occasionally underestimate uncommon and anticipated events that could cause delay. Okay, last but not least, for the list of assumptions made to develop a schedule is communication and collaboration. First, the team expects prompt and transparent communication between clients, authorities, and team members to prevent miscommunications and red work. And the group anticipates strong cooperation among members to swiftly address problems and devise solutions to minimizing disruption. And the team aims to maintain the scope as close to the original design as possible, as sometimes modifications require re-engineering the timeline.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shofia binti Losli, ID TE22026. I am presenter for We'll explain on the schedule and its diagram. Through research, we found that in year 2010 until 2014, this contractor has made preliminary planning and land acquisition. This took a long time because this project cost about 9.5 billion of ringgits and a massive project as a skyscraper that will be successfully developed by Malaysia. Next phases. In April 2016, the Mulia Group announced that all excavation, blasting, paling and site work has been completed within 3 months. Not only that, the tower's foundation concrete pour took place over a weekend. The building was structurally topped out after 19 months commencement and have achieving in average of 3 days a floor. Then, in year 2017 until 2019, completion of the exchange TRX podium level and first office tower. In year 2020 was ongoing development of remaining office tower, residential tower, and retail outlet within the exchange TRX. So, after the project finished, TRX City Park podium level retail and restaurant of the exchange 106 tower has been opened on January 2024. Only that for me. Thank you.